Hello and welcome back to my channel for the fourth installment of Strategems of Chess, White to Checkmate in 4 Moves from the first edition in 1817. Now, I did say in the very first installment of this series that an error had been made. There is a problem that's billed as a White to Checkmate in 4 moves when in fact it's 5 moves. And I solved this within about a couple of minutes. And because I had to take it the extra move, I played around with it for about another 10 minutes, became a little irritated and looked up the solution, and there is a mistake, as you will see. What is the key move here? Well, the key move is the brilliant Rook F8 check. And just taking a long view of that, black only has one reply. He cannot move his king out of the way, he cannot interpose anything. He has to accept the sack, which is bishop f8. So what does white do there now? Right, well, what he does is he plays here. Now, if he moves his king out the way, like this, instead of taking the knight, can you see what happens next? Yes, it's there. And then, of course, black interposes the knight and his bishop takes e6 and it's checkmate. So the fact is, in that position, after rook f8, bishop takes f8, knight g6, he only has this move to take the knight. Now, the solution follows my solution like this, and check is given. Just to reiterate, these sorts of problems, black is threatening checkmate in 2 ways here with these rooks on a1 and c1. So we always must bear that in mind before we do anything else and initiate it with a checking move. Now then, what does black have there? Well, he has to escape this check here, so that's it. So that's after rook f8 check, bishop takes f8, 2, knight g6, h takes g6, 3, h takes g6, king g8. It is white to make his 4th move. How does he checkmate on the move here? Well, the solution gives this as checkmate. Well, I'd take issue with that, as I'm sure you would, because he can interpose his knight. But, of course, on the next move, that is checkmate. That is an interesting oversight on the part of the writer of that particular work, but it can happen, and it did happen, and that is checkmate. There's no doubt about that. That is very nice indeed, the little slip notwithstanding, and watch out for installment number 5 in this very excellent series, and goodbye for now.